step. Keeper Ravena!
Unbelievable play there by keeper.
30. Steps on the gas. Takes.
Fresh from the Christmas holidays and the New Year celebrations, we visit one of the most well-known families in the sports industry. We are with the Ravena family. Hello! Oh, una-una, Merry Christmas. Oh, and Happy New Year. Ano bang regalo nyo sa isa't isa? Para sa Pasko?
Simple lang, something useful they can use sa araw-araw. Siyempre, sa mga ginagawa nila, kailangan kahit pa paano, yung mabibigay ko.
Ano nga? Sabihin
ano na
mo
yun?
kung ano.
Secret natin.
Ah,
Secret
okay,
natin,
sige.
secret.
Ikaw naman.
Sa akin din, yung something useful. Hindi naman siya secret, power bank. Kasi,
Lagi na sa cellphone.
kasi lagi naman nasa cellphone silang dalawa. And
Sino
very,
ka-text?
very
Kailangan.
active.
Sino ka-text?
Si Manong, isa lang. Ikaw. Kami, marami kasi buong family ka-text ni Kuya.
Yes.
And how about you?
Secret, pero clothes.
Because ito yung resident fashionista natin.
Yeah,
Stylist of the family.
it's my favorite thing.
kamusta naman? How did you spend the holidays as a family?
Well, we usually celebrate the holidays here lang sa bahay. Relatives come over here to eat Noche Buena and salubong sa Christmas and opening of gifts. The usual lang. We're a family who doesn't really go out.
And we all know that the three of you are very, very busy. You have different schedules. Siyempre, basketball, volleyball, golf.
Yes,
Ngayon,
golf for now.
Pinagkakabisihan.
For now, golf for now.
Oo. Ano naman siguro wish ng parents ninyo for Christmas?
Wish ng parents, siguro for me, ako alam ko, siguro sana mapaglaro na ako right away. It's been a while since I played, so hopefully, matupad yun or even ma-shorten. Hindi man right away, ma-shorten. And siguro for Danny, anong wish nila mama sa'yo?
Siguro, a good season for UAAP.
Kasi papasok na tayo doon.
papasok na
February.
Yeah,
Oo.
February. So, I guess, walang injuries, of course. And, yun lang, siguro sa studies yan also na I continue and safety lang, siguro.
I guess it's really more on focus lang for next year kasi it's gonna be my last year in college, and I think that's what's gonna spell out how my year is going to be kasi pag graduate ko na college, yun yung magde-decide if I would, stay here or explore somewhere
You're planning
else.
to go abroad also.
Yeah. And you have to have a good mindset coming into that year kasi maraming pwedeng mangyari and I have to be ready.
Ang galing, no? I mean, fresh from the championship, yun na kaagad ang iniisip mo.
Yeah.
Actually, it's such a privilege to be able to get into this conversation with you guys, knowing that the Ravena family, we're all very curious. Ano bang kinakain ninyo? I mean, like, we are definitely, we want to know what the secrets are in being a champion athlete, being a champion family.
Well, wala naman. Siguro the genes, we had it from the start, having athletes as parents. My mom playing volleyball, my dad was a professional basketball player. To start, nung mga bata kami, being into sports wasn't really hard for us, di ba? Kasi we were surrounded by athletes all throughout our childhood. I started very young. I started at 4 years old with basketball, and then si Danny, she tried multiple sports for her to really excel in. Ganun din naman si 30. Parang sinuport nila kami to
explore.
Kung ano yung pasok talaga, kung ano yung swak sa amin. And I guess siguro that's also one secret na sinabi mo nga dun sa kung anong kinakain namin dito sa bahay. Is having a strong support system is very important. Keeps you motivated, it keeps you going to bounce back, especially after a bad game and a loss. And for pag nananalo ka naman, sila din yung nagsasabi na, you have to stay hungry. Yun yung mga sinasabi nila sa amin. I guess that's one secret to having, us three in I would say a successful standpoint naman at the early stages of our careers.
Also, you had a very good advantage already with your parents going through everything. Meron na silang kumbaga libro, book of wisdom.
May ganun na, may
Sa
ganun.
sports.
Advices na, yes.
What do they tell you when you come home from a bad game or a bad performance or a bad training?
I think it's different for my mom and my dad. Kasi my dad is more on the coaching side, yung mga technicalities ng game, yung mga moments na I could have done better, or yung mga tama ko rin, he points it out dun yung mga tama, and really more on how I can prepare or how I can avoid instances na kunwari, for example, yung puyat, yung ganun, she sees na napapagod ako kaagad kasi kunwari yun, nagpupuyat ako. So she points that out as well. And it's, for Dani, maybe it's different kasi she's
Yes,
parang
because you're a
baliktad.
girl.
Siguro for me, the technicalities naman come from my mom. Kasi she knows this, she's been in the industry for so many years. And sometimes nga, I feel na she's also one of the coaches there. Pag when I look at her sa games, parang I really ask talaga. Court literal na court side. I really look at her and parang there's this comforting feel na I get na I feel more confident if she tells me the things na I should work on. And with my dad rin naman, the support is really there. Yung continuous na pagpupush niya sa amin, not just only me, but for the three of us.
Meron ba kayo naaalala na parang instance so when you had, kumbaga parang, as athletes, meron tayong pinakamasakit na game, natalo, and then when you came home, what was the advice?
Wala kan siguro, hindi siguro game. Siguro yung nalaman ko nga na I won't be able to play for 18 months. Siguro, especially going to that press conference, it was tough for me to swallow, knowing that right after this, my suspension will start immediately, di ba? So, pagtapos nun, we went home together as a family, and then their only reminder naman sa akin is, nandito na to, what can we do about it? We maximize the time that you're doing na wala kang ginagawa. Let's do your advocacy, let's do your campaign.
They're very constructive with their advice.
Yes. And yun din, siguro, as you said, meron silang book of wisdom na nakalatag na talaga dyan for us to really follow and to really just absorb. And it was spot on for me. I was able to realize a lot of things.
Well, Kiefer, you've gone through a roller coaster of ups and downs in your career. Different things happen to you. Is it painful for you to have those things in public and of course your parents are public figures?
Oh, well, of course it's painful kasi for me I think the moment you become numb with certain situations, that's the moment you just don't care about anything. You'll just keep on doing and doing and doing the same thing. And for me, of course, it's painful. Unang-una because I'm not just Kiefer Avena naman. I have the whole family to carry around my back every single time in all the actions that I do, whether it's correct or wrong. So it's painful for me, especially seeing with how social media is handled right now, seeing them getting involved with my actions, my wrongdoings. Nadadamay. Of course, atin, alam mo naman yan, we try to keep a cold head, we try to keep it calm as much as we can, but there are certain things that talagang will, medyo overboard na. But, we still have to be the better person. We still have to stay on our level at the end of the day. We're role models at the end of the day. People, kids, the youth look up to us in how we handle certain situations. So, yun din yung mga naturo nila sa akin. Just seeing them strong makes me even stronger.
And I think you've handled it pretty well. I mean, with
you.
everything that's
you.
happened. One thing that I admire about the Ravenna family is your courage to face things head on. And mamaya malalaman po natin kung paano nga ba itong, dahil because they are a well-loved family. Of course, with that comes the other side of things. Especially on social media, malalaman po natin kung paano nga ba dinidilang ang bashers, ang haters, at pati na rin ang isa't isa. Mamaya po yan sa pagbabalik ng The Score.